You're disgusting.
Just stop oil as well.
I stand up for animals against people like you.
So just stop oil have no...
Talking about just stop oil.
Why not?
Because this is what we're here about.
But that affects animals too, right? Global warming.
We're not here about that. It's just the benefit going vegan helps the environment. It's not about the environment. It's about the individual.
Not about the environment. The best environment doesn't matter to you.
If you're about to move into a gas chamber, wouldn't it be fair if I start talking about the environment? You're the individual about to be killed. I'll be sticking up for you, getting you free. We can help the environment at the same time. That's a different issue.